Hey, it's Marjorie, and my Tuesday tip for you today is all about how to take the air out of your tone. If you struggle with singing with a weak or wimpy tone, or maybe just having too much air in your voice, then I have some tricks to help you. First of all, I want you to think about that breathy singing as like whispering. Have you ever been in class and you wanted to whisper, maybe when you're a kid, or maybe even just, across the room now, hey, and you wanted to whisper loudly, hey, that's really hard on your voice. So imagine trying to keep up a whole conversation that's 3 minutes long like that. That's what singing with a lot of air in your tone feels like. It's hard. It's not great on your voice. It causes a lot of air to go across your vocal cords. It can dry them out. It can be damaging. So let's try to take the air out of our tone. I won't say that we can never sing with air, because sometimes I do want you to add air to your tone when you're trying to blend or you're going for a certain style or emotion. You can add that air on purpose. I just don't want the air to be there all the time when you're singing. And I don't want it to be like what happens when you don't want it to happen. I want you to be able to control it. So let's do some things that help us control the amount of air that comes out with our tone. So we're going to sing a tone. Let's just make the tone ma. So we're going to add air to that on purpose and make it as breathy as we possibly can. Ma. You can tell my tone just went away, right? I diluted it with all that air. Now let's get the tone back and try to take the air out. Ma. Add air. Ma. 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 Play with adding air on purpose and then taking it away. Let's do it on a higher note. Ma. So we're going to take the air out. Ma. Now add air. Ah. Now take it out. Ma. So practice some of those things. Practice, especially if you struggle with being able to take the air out of your tone. Practice adding air on purpose and make it breathier than it is. Sometimes doing the wrong thing in your voice can teach you what you want to do correctly. It can show you that, first of all, that you have some control, that you can make a change, because hey, adding air is making a change. So if you can make the change to add the air to your tone, guess what? You can take it away. So give it a good try. I hope it's helpful to you, and it will especially be helpful and healthful to your voice. So try to take that air out of your tone unless it's somewhere you want to put it in. Have a great day.